Introducing the 2004 Lexus RX 330. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Lexus prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, power front seats, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.